Hello everyone, we're back again. Today's lesson is biodiversity. First of all, this is a huge topic. We can take the diversity, meaning differences, into all sorts of areas in biology. So you can talk about diversity in genetic information, the DNA. We could talk about diversity between one group of organisms and another. We can talk about diversity within one population, one group of people, or one group of cows, or one group of zebras. What are the differences? But what I'd like you to do is to understand that the more diverse this planet remains, the better we all are in survival. Meaning, the more different types of foods we have to eat, better chances of survival. The more plant materials that are out there means the more chance we could discover different medicines that would help us survive. So biodiversity is a very important thing that you understand, because what's happening now on the planet is that the biodiversity is shrinking, and that's not a good thing. So basically, I'd like you to take the idea of biodiversity, and I would like you to do a search. So go ahead and open a browser. Go over here, type in biodiversity, and then search. And then I want you to take a look at all the different terms and different ideas that come up concerning biodiversity. There's some really interesting ones. There's a museum that caters to more basic ideas, but it gives you some games and things. This is for, I guess, children, but you still might be able to learn a few things from this website. This was the really interesting, I thought, one. This one was biodiversity hotspots. And I really think that you all would benefit by taking a few minutes and looking at this. It's got an interactive map. And you just scroll over these different zones here. It's a really good colorful picture. I don't know what these are, but different areas here. Hotspots menu, you can actually go over here and go into different areas around the world. Gives you the issues of those areas. Caribbean islands, close to Florida here, where we are. And then you can click here for more information. Hopefully this will, I guess that's not going to work for me now. Let's try it again. Go here, click to the hotspot, click over here on the Caribbean. Took me there before. I don't know what's going on now, but click for more information. Here we go. See, things happen to me too, so you're not the only one. Let's get over here on this page. We can review human impacts conservation in action, threatened species, all sorts of things. These are more this is a database, so you'd have to, I guess, know what you're looking for here. I'd like you to read all this stuff. Read it over. Go into these world's smallest bird, the tiny bee hummingbird, and the smallest snake. Okay. You can go in different areas. There's some places here. Atlantic forest, Brazil, South America. All right, I'd like you to do that. What's going on here? Anyway, I lost my page with the notes on it. I don't know where that went. It's somewhere. No. Anyway, I'd like you to go into those biodiversity websites, do yourself a search, and learn a little bit more about biodiversity. Remember, the more biodiverse we are, the better it is for everyone. Why is that? Basically, next time we'll talk about why that is. Have a good day.